Shaping futures, powering nations, where bold ideas become global realities. At CADD Centre, we don't just teach design, we ignite futures. Our mission is to make India the design and innovation capital of the world, from civil to mechanical, electronics to artificial intelligence. We open doors to limitless creativity, real-world tools, real-time learning, mentorship that matters. Because learning isn't confined to four walls, it thrives in competition, teamwork, and challenge. CADD Quest makes education accessible, awarding scholarships to thousands of aspiring designers every year. The international design competition unites the brightest design minds from across the globe, turning bold ideas into real impact. Our learners don't just learn skills, they craft careers. Through Job Pakka Fair, we don't just promise placements, we deliver them, connecting talent to industry. In partnership with Sood, we offer globally recognized certifications, giving learners credibility and confidence to succeed anywhere. With BIM Square, we're redefining building information modeling. From creative collaboration to hands-on workshops like building bridges, turning ideas into engineered reality. At the Center of Excellence, our HOD Connect brought industry leaders together, exploring advanced manufacturing technologies and exchanging insights that shape the future. Across every course, every classroom, every center, one thing remains constant: our students' stories of transformation.
I had a great experience we had in these seminars.
My experience has been good. The center is good and the faculty are very helpful.
And it was a wonderful experience. We are the winners now.
It's really good and it's very helpful for me, to learn the designs and the machine parts in the assembly, not a CAD. And now I'm going through the SolidWorks.
With a presence in 24 plus countries and a legacy of training over 4 million professionals, we are shaping the future of design globally. This is where your journey begins: to design, to create, to lead.
CADD Centre, world class.